Yes, ma'am, we can start. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So are the children there?
Yeah. Children have joined.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So basically we were there in the year 1935. Okay, so this was the time when the British government had passed this Government of India Act. आप लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी होगी कि 1773 में भी regulating act, the first act, then 1784 में Pitt's India Act था, फिर 1909 में मॉर्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स हुए, 1909 में, फिर 1919 में भी मॉन्टेग्यू चेम्सफोर्ड रिफॉर्म्स थे, 1935 में सिमिलरली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट भी था, जो स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली ये दिखाने की कोशिश थी कि हम कुछ कुछ एरियाज में इंडियन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because it disconnected again for a short time.
Okay.
Yeah. So 1935 we have this Government of India Act, और इस Government of India Act के बारे में बहुत थोड़ी सी जानकारी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दी हुई है, right? So basically that's, you can take little bit information from there as well, right? And 1937, this was something very interesting, that when elections happened, because this was the time now, ab tak yahan tak aate aate Muslim League and Congress, these people, they were at loggerheads, slowly and steadily, kind of things were not very cordial between Congress and the Muslim League as such, right? So ये जो elections हुए 1937 में, इसमें बहुत बड़ी बात ये निकल कर सामने आई कि कांग्रेस ने 11 प्रांतों में से 8 प्रांतों में अपनी जीत हासिल कर ली थी। तो अब उनको बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीदें और ज्यादा बढ़ गई थी, और उनको ऐसे लगने लग गया था कि अच्छा, now this is something a very good start, and now how beautifully we will be able to have our own ministry, this called Congress ministries, right? But unfortunately, this joy was very short-lived. Why was it short-lived? Simply for one reason, that 1939 से basically World War II start हो गया था, right? 1939 we had this World War which started off, and which continued till 1945. Everybody knows about that. Yeah. And then in the year 1939, 2 years later, this Congress ministries, there was this reason which is given on page number 361, how Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru both were against Hitler and the Nazi attitudes, right? But then here, these people, the Indians, the Indian leaders, what were they wanting? कि ठीक है, हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे, लेकिन क्या आप हमको इंडिपेंडेंस ग्रांट कर दोगे? इस प्रपोजल को अंग्रेजों ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया, राइट? सो और तुरंत 1939 में ही, अक्टूबर 1939 में ये कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज ने रिजाइन कर दिया, ठीक है? सो दिस जस्ट फ्रॉम 1937 to 1939 they were there for 2 years, right? But unfortunately, you should always remember that they were working under the supervision of British governor. So they never had an independent call, right? And then now we move on to the next slide, slide number 9, which talks about 1940. Now, ये 1940 में बड़ा beautifully दिया गया है कि किस तरीके से मुस्लिम लीग का लाहौर अधिवेशन हो रहा है। अब ये मुस्लिम लीग के लाहौर अधिवेशन में, and this Muslim League's Lahore session, there were these, kind of demands from the Muslims. What was the major demand? They demanded autonomy for the Muslim majority areas, right? Now, when you talk about this Muslim majority areas, that means जहां जहां पर भी वो areas हैं जहां मुसलमानों की संख्या ज्यादा है, वहां पर सिर्फ मुस्लिम नेता ही चुना जा सकता है, ठीक है? And this slowly and steadily created a lot of rift between the Hindus and the Muslims. If you remember, ये बीज कहाँ से बोया गया था? 1909 में, with the introduction of separate electorates for the Muslims, right? So basically, we need to really know थोड़ा आगे पीछे की history भी, so that we are.
I think madam is disconnected.
Yeah. Am I audible, ma'am, now?
Yes, ma'am, very much. Yes.
Okay. So now I have just drawn a triangle over there. So अब आप देख रहे हो कि एक तो अंग्रेज हैं सबसे ऊपर, अब नीचे जो दिखाए गए है कांग्रेस और मुस्लिम लीग, दोनों के बीच किस तरीके की रस्साकसी है। दौर ऐसा आ गया था कि बीच में वो टू नेशन थ्योरी, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना और पूरा साजो सामान अब तैयार हो रहा था कि कैसे आगे चलकर 647-48 तक आते आते पाकिस्तान की बनने की प्रक्रिया जो है किस तरीके से अब उसके लिए कॉजेस बन रहे। ठीक है, तो ये कांग्रेस और मुस्लिम लीग के बीच जो तनातनी थी, ये भी बहुत ज्यादा स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली यू कैन सी इट वाज बिकमिंग वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। ओके, देन 1942 में ही एक बहुत बड़ी बात थी, दैट वाज क्रिप्स मिशन। सबके बीच में एक सुलह मशवरा करने के लिए सर स्टैफोर्ड क्रिप्स, इनको भारत भेजा गया। पूरे इनके साथ में कुछ और मेंबर्स थे, so that they could have a compromise, right? But इनके बीच की जो बातचीत थी वो पूरी तरीके से फेल हो गई, और फेलियर ऑफ क्रिप्स मिशन लेट 42 में अब क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी। ये एक लास्ट पॉलिटिकल बड़ी वाली एक्टिविटी थी, मास मूवमेंट वाली थी, यस, जो 1942 में शुरू हुई, और आंदोलन शुरू होने से पहले ही महात्मा गांधी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था, because the British got to know about this particular movement, right? But the individuals and what passion that people had, individual star pe, basically the whole lot of movement was very, very important from the historical point of view. This was the time when Mahatma Gandhi gave that nara, na, do or die, karo ya maro, now or never, abhi nahi to kabhi nahi wali baat ho jati hai na. So this Quit India, please prepare a short note on this Quit India. Then you will be able to, kind of truly be able to connect yourself. All these dots, when they are connected, na, then you will find that you are able to get the entire essence of the lesson, right? And then again, in the year 1946, फिर दोबारा से fresh elections हुए, फिर दोबारा से कांग्रेस swept general category की सारी सीटें, कांग्रेस ने जीत ली थी, right? And especially यहाँ पे अब 1946 में ही एक कैबिनेट मिशन को भेजा गया। कैबिनेट मिशन को किस लिए भेजा गया? ताकि उनका कोई तो भी एक अलग सिस्टम, कुछ एक फेडरल सिस्टम बनाना चाहते थे, कैसे कैसे प्रोविंसेस को डील करना है, कैसे कैसे होना है। तो ये बातचीत भी पूरी तरीके से फेल हो गई। एंड देन 16 अगस्त 1946 1 मार्क के लिए भी पूछा जाता है, नहीं तो आपको किसी और क्वेश्चन में भी यूज करना पड़ सकता है। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डे, डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे। नाउ दिस 16 अगस्त 1946 bloody riots broke out in Calcutta. The violence spread to rural Bengal, then to Bihar, and then across the country to the United Provinces and the Punjab, right? So now this was something very, very, bad, that so much of bloodshed, so much of itne khuni dange, and how people's lives were totally, kind of taken for a toss. So you can really, kind of figure it out how it was not a simple task. This experimentation with this Indian struggle was something which was unbelievable, and the way people lost their lives, the way people were able to give their lives for the sake of this nation. I think it's time we should really be able to respect each and every person, though they may be termed under the category of uncrowned heroes. There are so many names which probably we also may not be aware about, right? So this direct action day के बारे में अगर कोई पूछा जाता है तो पेज नंबर 364 पे मिडिल वाले पैराग्राफ में आपको थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी मिल सकती है। तो 1947, 15th of August, Indian independence, and how a new India, a new beginning is all going to start off. But unfortunately, in the year 1948, 30th Jan, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated, and that came to an end as this one great figure who gave his life for the sake of the nation, right? And though इस book में लिखा हुआ है नथुराम गोडसे के बारे में, but I think of late they are not wanting to even write the name. Yes, so that's all up to them. So this is what I wanted to carry with me. But then in the last slide, that is that page number 11, that page slide number 11 पे मैंने 3-4 questions तैयार किए हैं, और वो क्वेश्चंस कुछ इस तरीके के हैं जो पूरी बुक में भी दिखेगा आपको। मॉडरेट्स के बारे में है एक तो क्वेश्चन, Now, when you talk about this moderates, Indian National Congress बनी 1885 में, तो ये moderates कुछ इस तरीके के कांग्रेसी थे जो बहुत ज्यादा 3 P's को फॉलो करते थे. P for prayer, right? P for, you know, kind of peaceful protest, right? और वो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांगली एग्रेसिव वे में अपनी बात नहीं मनवाते थे. उनको ये लगता था कि शायद धीरे धीरे अंग्रेज समझ जाएंगे कि हमारी क्या परेशानियां हैं. और तीसरा पी है पेटिशंस. When you talk about prayers, petitions and peaceful protest, ये moderates की methodology थी. इसमें हमारे सुरेंद्र चंद्र बैनर्जी, and then you are also having your Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayyib ji, Dadabai Nauroji. You know, then you also have moderates के बारे में थोड़ी सी जानकारी आपको initial pages में मिल जाएगी, where they are talking in terms of Muhammad Ali Jinnah was also one of the moderates at that time. At that time, after that, so they took a different turn altogether. Then Gopal Krishna Gokhale, right? So till 1905 तक moderates ने बागडोर कांग्रेस की संभाल रखी थी. और उसके बाद जब 1905 में बंगाल पार्टीशन हुआ, तब you have 3 lions and they were termed as extremists, Lal, Bal and Pal. एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जा सकता है who are these Lal, Bal and Pal. बहुत सारे लोग लाल बहादुर शास्त्री बोलते हैं, जो पूरी तरीके से गलत है. It is Lala Lajpat Rai, yes, hero of Punjab, clear. And Bal is that great Maharashtrian hero, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal from Bengal, right? How these people, they started off with their methodology, which consisted of 2 words, Swadeshi and boycott. अपना be Indian, buy Indian and behave Indian वाली बात थी. Yes, इन लोगों की. And then we have the third question, why was the Salt March notable? और ये Salt March को लेकर एग्जामिनेशन में जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, this is something very, very important. And when you talk about this Salt March, the answer that has been given is on page number 360. 3.2 पे है. 3 reasons दिए हैं कि ये Salt March क्यों इतना notable बन गया. First is that this event brought Mahatma Gandhi to world attention. How Mahatma Gandhi became an international figure now. Second, it was the first nationalist activity in which women participated in large numbers. और उसमें आपको कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय का नाम एक 1 mark के क्वेश्चन के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. I'm not very sure. Okay, because she was the first person. Yes. And then the third reason is that it was the Salt March which forced upon the British the realization that their Raj would now not last forever and that they would have to devolve some power to the Indians. ठीक है? अब उनको अपना सामान, उनका बोरिया बिस्तर बांधने का टाइम आ चुका है. Clear? And then there could also be an answer related to 2 nation theory. वो 2 nation theory किसकी थी? क्या था ये 2 nation theory में? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने ये 2 nation theory क्यों बोली कि एक हिंदू राष्ट्र है, एक मुस्लिम राष्ट्र है, दोनों की भाषा अलग है, दोनों की रीति रिवाज अलग है, दोनों की परंपराएं अलग है, सोच विचार अलग अलग है, तो इसीलिए दोनों के लिए अलग अलग राष्ट्र भी होने चाहिए, हिंदू राष्ट्र एंड द मुस्लिम राष्ट्र. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, 8 marks के क्वेश्चन के लिए आपका वो जो पेज नंबर 367 अगर आप खोलें तो ओपनली लिखा गया है व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सोर्सेस from which we can reconstruct the political career of Gandhi ji and the history of the national movement. उसमें जितने भी points हैं one by one, public voice and private scripts को लेकर till the last point of newspapers. Yes, you have to just pick up on from these main points, like through the police eyes, framing a picture, and all about the newspapers. So you get your answer in that particular few pages. Yes. So ultimately, from the examination point of view, this particular chapter is going to have marks, you know, associated with anything in this chapter. So if you are able to really have thorough understanding of this chapter, you will really be able to feel very great and score good marks. Thank you so much, Avasti ma'am. Sorry for having taken a little more time. I don't know if I've missed on certain things.
No, madam.
Yes, please.
It was very good. And it is difficult to wind up the things in 30 minutes. It is not possible at all for this, especially this chapter or Gandhi ji. So it was wonderful and very nicely, systematically, chronologically, because history is one subject that has to be prepared and read chronologically and systematically. So within very short period you prepared. That is something beautiful, that you gave this much time to the students, as well as you prepared the lesson so well that it went very systematically. Thank you once again, and one of my
Thank you so much,
students
ma'am.
would like to thank you. Any one of you, please stand.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish you all the best, and may you really make your teacher very proud. See, ma'am, she's taking so much of pains for each one of you, beta. Right? So please give your best. Study very hard. यही मौका है ना? Lockdown है, लेकिन unlock all your potential now. Right? This is a very important time for all of you. Thank you so much, Avasti ma'am, for everything. Thank you so much.
Thanks to ma'am.
It was great.
Once again, Anushka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. The lecture was so good that we saw the efforts you put in the lecture from making the cards, and they were very like, I made my notes right now while you were teaching for the chapter. I feel like I'm prepared
Thank
for
you
this.
so much.
And the
My
chapter
best
was
wishes
great.
to each one of you on this call.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, your blessings, with your blessings,
Thank
definitely
you, Avasti ma'am.
children will do very well.
Now, I'll pray for each one's success. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
They
you.
will surely bring great pride to you and your. Thanks so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall we leave?
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am, for
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you all the
Thank you,
students.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.